We're going to be launching for London the Industrial Development Report 2011, which is on energy efficiency. I want just to start actually by paying tribute to UNIDO and to its Director General Kunde Yamkela. UNIDO got rather a bad rating in DFID's multilateral aid review last year, which many of us thought was a pity given that the role the agency plays in providing intellectual and programmatic leadership on one of the greatest growth sectors and the greatest source of new jobs, and by the way, the greatest sources of potential progress on climate change. And I think we've seen through a sequence of these industrial development reports the kind of leadership that UNIDO can play. And Mr. Yamkela himself is, I think, the chair, is it, of UN, or the director of UN Energy, the chair of UN Energy, and is a leading light on the Secretary General's high-level panel on sustainable energy for all, and is a force for good in the international system, which I would like to pay tribute to and to recognise. And I hope if anybody here from DFID, you will take that message back and think about how we can support that work, which I know Andrew Mitchell actually is very interested in. Today we're launching the Industrial Development Report, which as usual has a general section about manufacturing and about industry, but a special theme. And this year the theme is industrial energy efficiency for sustainable wealth creation. We're going to have a presentation by an old friend, Ludovico Alcoto, who's director of the report and also director of in the statistics and research branch in UNIDO. And then we have three discussants. Andrew Barnett on my right, who is one of the UK's leading energy experts and director of the policy practice. Philip Thomas, who runs the scenarios team at the World Energy Council. And our host today, really, Nicola Cantori, who is a research fellow at ODI, works on this topic, contributed to the report, and I know you will all have read, and if you haven't, will immediately read after the meeting his blog, which I guess is on the ODI website,
yes.
Commenting on this report in a very interesting way. We have until 2 o'clock. Ludovico's going to speak for about 20 minutes, the discussants for about 7 minutes each. There will be plenty of time for you to feed in. As usual, we are on the record, we are being streamed worldwide. Some questions may come in, and I wish this was my iPad, but it's actually the ODI iPad, and I'm told that we may get some questions on the iPad during the course of our discussion. But we'll start, Ludovico, please, with you.